everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I make my lash cleansers for my clients. I came across Pro Long Lash Cleanser about 2 years ago. I was looking for something that I can use that didn't sting the eye, that was profitable for resale, a good quantity sized product, and something that enhanced my retention. This cleanser is designed for lash extensions and made for ultimate retention. It's naturally pH balanced, so no burn ever. It's free of all oils and glycerin, made with top quality products, and even smells heavenly, like roses. It's 100 ml of product compared to a lot of 50 ml options that I have seen available to me. I also love how natural the ingredients are inside of this Pro Long concentration, and I trust my clients 100% using it. It says that it also removes makeup, so they get a 2-in-1 deal, which is great. Since my lash cleanser bottles are 60 ml, the concentration calls for mixing 1 part concentration and 2 parts distilled water. If you have no idea what that means, I'm going to break this down for you guys as simple as possible. In my hands, I have a ml measurement bottle. Since my bottles are 60 ml, I am going to fill the bottle up with concentration to the 20 ml mark. And then once I pour this in the bottle, I then will fill the bottle up with distilled water to the 40 ml mark. Next, you will need to use distilled water, and I have this in my squeeze bottle. I haven't lied to you guys before, and I'm not going to start now. And let me tell you that this squeeze bottle literally saved my life. Save yourself the mess and just purchase one of these. You can find them on Amazon for like $8. Okay, so I'm going to blow your mind right now, because let me tell you, when I first used this concentration, I was literally making my cleansers completely wrong. If you were like me and just going off the rule of thumb when people said, all you need is like 3 or 4 squeezes and then you're done, fill the rest up with water. My cleansers were like pumping out more water than anything. But maybe that's just me. But I knew at that moment I wasn't making them correctly, so after making them the right way, they pump out super foamy and the consistency is a lot better. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about in just a few seconds. As you can see, we have our concentration in our measurement bottle, which reaches 20 ml. I then am going to pour that into the lash bottle. I try to get almost every drop inside so I don't waste any. And then after I finish, I will then measure the bottle up with distilled water that will reach 40 milliliters. If you're wondering where I got this measurement bottle, I actually went to the CVS next to me and asked if they sold any of them there. And the guy who was working there at the time was super nice and just gave me one. So I was pretty lucky, but if you go to a CVS and they don't offer them, you can always find them on Amazon. I'll make sure to leave the links down in the description below for all of you, so this way it's just easier.
But things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Now it's time to put the labels on the bottles. I chose to go with the clear labels this way. The label doesn't take away from the matte pink. And the same with the ingredients label. If you would like for me to make a video on how I create my labels, leave a comment down below and I could definitely do that for you guys. When I put my labels on, I like to place them in front where the top nozzle is. You can kind of see it on this bottle this way. The label isn't on the side of the bottle and it just doesn't look really weird when the client takes the cap off. Okay, so now let's put our ingredient label on the back of the bottle.
Future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Okay, so as you can see, the consistency of this foam cleanser is very thick. And honestly, you really don't even need to pump it like all the way. Maybe like half a pump would give you a lot. I'm going to show you the difference between what it looks like when you make them correctly and then what it looks like when you don't. So it's like really foamy. It's a really good consistency. This is exactly how it should look. Now this is what it looks like when you don't follow the ratio correctly. It like comes out more watery and it's just not as foamy, and the cleanser dissolves a lot faster. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and then also don't forget I'm going to leave all the links down there as well. So this way it's just a lot easier for you guys to purchase everything that you need. Don't forget to add yourself to the Lash Therapy Facebook group, and as well as subscribe if you enjoy watching my videos. I will see you guys all next time. Sweet concussion, oh, you miss my touching.